The in-vehicle network malfunction warning in your Mazda indicates a serious communication problem between your car's electronic control units. This warning means the various computer systems in your vehicle are having trouble talking to each other. Modern vehicles use a controller area network, or CAN bus system, to connect various electronic control units. The engine, transmission, ABS, airbag, and infotainment systems all communicate through this network, sharing critical data to keep your car running smoothly. Here you can see the various electronic control units distributed throughout a modern vehicle. Each of these computers controls specific functions, from engine management to keyless entry, and they all need to communicate seamlessly for your car to operate properly. This warning most commonly appears in Mazda vehicles that are 4 to 7 years old, typically when they reach between 60,000 and 100,000 miles. Studies show that 3 to 5% of Mazda vehicles will experience this issue during their lifetime. Network malfunctions have three primary causes. Electrical issues account for 40% of cases, including corroded connectors, damaged wiring, and poor ground connections. Module failures represent 35%, often involving the gateway module or individual ECU failures. Software and communication problems make up the remaining 25%, typically due to outdated firmware or timing conflicts. It's crucial to address this warning promptly. Ignoring a network malfunction can lead to serious drivability issues, including loss of engine power, transmission problems, safety system failures, or even complete system shutdown. Early diagnosis and repair can prevent these costly and dangerous situations. Understanding your vehicle's network system helps you recognize the seriousness of this warning. While some simple checks can be performed, most network malfunctions require professional diagnosis with specialized equipment to identify and resolve the root cause effectively. Start troubleshooting with simple DIY checks. First, examine your battery terminals for corrosion or loose connections. Clean any corrosion and ensure terminals are tight and secure. Next, inspect all visible wiring harnesses for damage. Look for frayed insulation, rodent damage, or loose connectors, especially in the engine bay and under the dashboard. Check your fuse box to ensure all fuses are properly seated and none are blown. As a quick fix attempt, try disconnecting the battery for 15 minutes, then reconnecting it. This simple reset resolves about 15% of network malfunction cases. If DIY checks don't resolve the issue, professional diagnosis is necessary. Mechanics use specialized equipment like Mazda IDS scanners to analyze the network, check module communication, and test CAN bus voltage levels. Solutions vary based on the root cause. Gateway module replacement is the most expensive at $800 to $1,500, but has a 92% success rate. ECU reprogramming costs $200 to $400, while wiring repairs range from $300 to $800. Mazda has quietly extended warranty coverage for network issues in 2019 to 2023 models, particularly affecting CX-5, CX-9, and Mazda 3 vehicles. Check with your dealer about technical service bulletins and warranty eligibility. To prevent future issues, keep your vehicle's software updated and address any water intrusion immediately.